Hi and welcome. We're giving you a look at a handmade cellar today, and we're showing you some handmade scrunchies. And these are extra large, so if you're planning a photo shoot or going out for the evening or day, then these are going to be perfect to go over a bun or to make a high or low ponytail. These are totally handmade, so the owner hand selects all of their materials, and then they also try to use local suppliers whenever possible as well. Okay, so we got in the large silk scrunchie. That's a totally gorgeous shade of red. And as I'm holding this, it just feels really nice and luxurious. They're made of really soft material. And as I get into this one, I also want to mention that this handmade cellar uses biodegradable materials whenever possible for all of their packaging. And even the bags that they come in can also be put into the compost. So just make sure you cut off those little stickers first. And this one here just looks really pretty, and it's made from organza. Marina, who's the shop owner, does really nice work on these. We hope you found this helpful and enjoyed this closer look. Thanks for watching.